What show is it, Akash?
Spelling bee.
Okay. How old are you?
The house.
What's your name?
Guess.
Where do you live?
Live in Ohio.
Very nice. Let's start the spelling bee show. Okay.
Spelling bee show.
Okay, Akash. What is cup spelling?
You become
What is jar spelling?
just change the jobs.
What is sniff spelling?
S-S-I-N-F.
Good. What is gasp spelling?
Gasp. GSP. Gasp.
What is crate spelling?
Great. CRT.
What is pill spelling?
Pill.
Mm-hmm.
P-I-L.
Very good. What is even spelling?
Even.
What is next spelling?
Next. Next.
Very good. What is twig spelling?
Twig.
Mm-hmm.
No, crab.
Okay, what is cram spelling?
Crab.
Mm-hmm.
C-R-A.
Mm-hmm.
Crab. C-R-A-M. Crab.
Very good. What is bunch spelling? Bunch.
Bunch. B-U-N-C-H. Bunch.
What is lots spelling?
What?
Mm-hmm.
L.
Mm-hmm.
No, bunch. Bunch.
Bunch is already done, Akash. What is lots spelling?
No, what's bunch.
Mm-hmm.
What's?
Mm-hmm.
L-O-T. What?
Very good. What is twig spelling?
Twig. T-W-I-G. Twig.
Very good. What is sweet spelling?
Sweet.
Mm-hmm.
S-W-E. Sweet.
What is strong spelling?
Strong.
Mm-hmm.
S-T-R-O-N. Strong.
Okay, nice job. What is study spelling?
Daddy.
Uh-huh.
S-T-U-D-Y. Daddy.
Very good. What is mess spelling? Mess.
Mess.
Mm-hmm.
L-E-S-S. Mess.
Very good. What is army spelling?
Me-R-M-O. For me.
Very nice job, Akash. What is blimp spelling?
Blip. B-L-I-M-P.
Very good. What is rainy spelling?
Baby, alright.
Mm-hmm. What is harsh spelling?
H-A-R-S.
Very good. What is shine spelling?
S-H-I-N-E.
Very good. What is backpack spelling?
Backpack.
Mm-hmm.
Basically.
Mm-hmm.
Basically. Backpack.
Very good, Amma. What is dare spelling?
Dear, D-A-R-E. Dear.
Very good. What is Friday spelling?
Friday.
Akash, look here. Friday spelling, please. Okay, what is mixer spelling? Mm-hmm. Very good. What is nibble spelling?
Nibble. N-I-B-B-L-E. Nibble.
Very good. What is mum spelling?
Mum.
Mm-hmm. 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 Very good. What is format spelling? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Very good. What is jumbo spelling? Jumbo.
Jumbo.
Mm-hmm.
J-U-M-B-O. Jumbo.
Very good. What is large spelling?
Large.
Mm-hmm.
L L L A L A R A.
Very good. What is grapevine spelling?
Grapevine.
Mm-hmm.
G G R A
Mm-hmm.
E. Grape.
Mm-hmm.
G-I-N-E. Grapevine.
Very good. What is salt spelling? Mm-hmm. Salt.
S-A-L-T.
Very good, Amma. What is brace spelling?
Brace.
Mm-hmm.
B-R-A-C-E. Brace.
Very good. What is fate spelling?
Face.
Mm-hmm.
F-A-T-E. Face.
What is golf spelling?
Globe.
Mm-hmm. Look here, boy.
Huh?
What is golf spelling?
Globe.
Mm-hmm.
G-O-P. Globe.
Gulp.
Globe.
Mm-hmm.
G.
Mm-hmm.
U.
Mm-hmm.
L. Globe.
Very good. What is crabby spelling?
Rabbit.
Mm.
C-R-A-B-B-Y. Rabbit.
Very good. What is shamrock spelling? Mm-hmm. Akash, look here. Sit down, please. Please, please, Akash. Look here. Okay, what is shamrock spelling, please? Okay, 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 boy. What is file spelling?
File.
Mm-hmm.
F-L-I-L.
Very good. What is cherry spelling?
Cherry.
Mm-hmm.
C-H-E-R-R.
Very good, Akash.
Cherry. Cherry.
Mm-hmm.
Lime.
Very good. What is gravy spelling?
Gravy.
Mm-hmm.
Gravy. Like gravy.
Very nice.